It is a very old story. Once King Krishnadev went to Kashmir for some work. There he saw a golden colored blooming flower. Maharaj liked that flower so much that while returning to his kingdom, Vijayanagar, he brought a plant of it with him. As soon as he reached the palace, he called the gardener. As soon as the gardener arrived, the king said to him, "Look, plant this plant in our garden at such a place that I can see it daily from my room. It will bloom with golden colored flowers, which I like very much. Take great care of this plant. If anything happens to him, you can even get death penalty." The gardener nodded and took the plant from the king and planted it in a place visible from his room. The gardener took great care of that flower day and night. As the days passed, golden flowers started blooming in it. Every day, as soon as the king woke up, he would first see the flower and then go to the court. If someday the king had to go out of the palace, he would feel sad because of not being able to see that flower. One day, when the king came to his window in the morning to see the flower, he did not see the flower at all. Then he called the gardener. The king asked the gardener, "Where is that plant? Why can't I see its flowers?" In response, the gardener said, "Maharaj, my goat ate it yesterday evening." On hearing this, the king's anger reached its peak. He directly ordered Rajmali to be sentenced to death after 2 days. Then soldiers came there and put him in jail. As soon as the gardener's wife came to know about this, she came to the court to complain to the king. The angry Maharaj did not listen to a single word of her. She started leaving the court crying. Then a person advised her to meet Tenali Ram. The gardener's wife, crying, told Tenali Ram about her husband's death sentence and the golden flower. After listening to all her words, Tenali Ram pacified her and sent her home. The next day, the angry gardener's wife takes the goat that had eaten the golden flower to the crossroads and starts beating it with a stick. While doing this, the goat became half dead. In the Vijayanagar kingdom, this kind of treatment of animals was forbidden. This was considered cruel, so some people complained about this action of the gardener's wife to the city policeman. After knowing the whole matter, the city policeman came to know that the gardener's wife was doing all this because of the punishment given to the gardener. As soon as the constables knew this, they took the matter to the court. Maharaj asked, "How can you behave so badly with an animal?" The gardener's wife replied, "Such a goat, because of which my entire house is going to be destroyed. I am going to be a widow, and my children are going to be orphans. How should I behave with that goat, Maharaj?" King Krishnadev said, "I could not understand what you meant. How can this dumb animal destroy your house?" The gardener's wife said, "Maharaj, this is the same goat which ate your golden plant. Because of this, you have sentenced my husband to death. This goat was at fault, but my husband is getting punished. This goat should actually be punished, that's why I was beating it with a stick." Now the king understood that it was not the gardener's fault, but the goat's fault. As soon as he understood this, he asked the gardener's wife, "How did you get so much intelligence to explain my mistake in this way?" She said that, "Maharaj, apart from crying, I could not think of anything. Pandit Tenali Ram ji has explained all this to me." Once again, King Krishnadev felt proud of Tenali Ram, and he said, "Tenali Ram, you once again stopped me from making a big mistake." Saying this, the Maharaja withdrew the death sentence of Mali and ordered him to be released from jail. Also, 50,000 gold coins were given as a gift to Tenali Ram for his intelligence. Lesson from the story: one should never give up prematurely. Even the biggest problems can be solved by trying.